up close to the brands and stuff, and then get that up close so you can reference that when you need to. Go back to it.
Okay. Excellent. Okay.
All right, folks. So I thought we would show you how I make my own homemade vanilla. This is something I made in December of 2023, and it's been in this. I made it in a little homemade. Bought these little jars from Amazon, and I gave these out as gifts. And all we use is vanilla beans and vodka. You can use whatever vodka you like. No flavored vodka, just plain vodka and vanilla beans is how you make it. And I learned this from Zoe Bakes on Magnolia Network. And I noticed that she kept using her own vanilla just out of a jar, some kind of whiskey bottle or something. And folks, when you open that up, it just smells amazing. This has been fermenting in here since December. Or probably, I made this probably in October or November.
It smells fantastic.
So, but yeah, so that all that is after that many months, it's now what, July, it's this dark. But I'm going to show you how you do it. If you buy the bottles online, you can get them in this size here. And they come with a nice little funnel. They come with little toppers. But I noticed the other day I went to Aldi and I bought me some lemonade. So here's some sparkling pink lemonade. I love lemonade. And look at the bottle, folks. It's the same bottle.
Same thing.
Same bottle, except you got a really nice big one. Yeah. And so I had some lemonade. I just peeled off didn't even have to peel it really. I just got it loose. Put this in the dishwasher. And look, it's the same thing. And you need something that's going to seal and have a really nice seal. A nice tight seal, actually. So the beans that I use I buy these on Amazon, Vanilla Bean Kings. So this is Kings. You can go directly to their site, which is www.vanillabeankings.com. And already, I wish you had smell-o-vision. This smells amazing. So I make sure I've washed my hands really well, which I've done. And you're already asking, well, Nikki, how many beans do you put? And I've never made a really big bottle. The ones that I gave out as gifts, I had several of these. And in here, several of these bottles. In here, you can tell there's at least maybe 8.
Oh, it smells
8 beans in there. So it does smell good, doesn't it?
Smells amazing.
And you can smell this package, even through your Amazon packaging, you can smell it. Yep. And if you go to this website, it tells you how it comes from Madagascar is the origin, but it tells you how they collect the beans and how they're, whole organic vanilla beans. And it tells you how they can get them to you. So what I do, based on what Zoe said, is I make sure that I open. So for this big bottle, I'm probably going to use, let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm probably going to see 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I'm probably going to use about that many because that's a really big bottle.
That's what, about 20?
Yeah, and see, that'll save me if I decide to do
a small one later.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's about how many's in here. Let's pull out 9, 10. Let's pull them over. And then, so hit this big bottle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's make it even. Let's put 16 in there. Good. So I'm going to set these back and I'm going to put them in an airtight Ziploc seal until I can put them in a nice little bottle again. So we're using 16, and then I'm going to open them up.
You said split them open.
So I'm just splitting them, putting a little slit in here, and that is going to cause you to have like actual beans that are going to come out, and that just helps you get that essence, that bean essence out of there a little bit more. You don't have to split all of them, but I think I did with that last one. Just splitting it. Just be careful. Get you a nice little knife. You don't need to chop it up. You just want them split. Some. I'm not. And what I mean by that, if you don't know what I'm talking about, not everybody does. I forget that. Right here. There's that. See that essence right there. Look, that's beautiful. There's your That smells amazing too.
Goodness.
But I'm going to make sure that's... Oh, well, I'm not going to use that. I threw it on the countertop. We're not going to use it. It'll just make the countertop smell really nice. But that's what I'm talking about. And you'll see that floating in there. So let's finish slicing here. Here. And I use this in any recipe where you're calling for vanilla. I made a banana pudding not too long ago for my students.
It was amazing.
And they said, Miss Nikki, is that vanilla? What kind of vanilla flavoring are you using? And I told them, I said, it's homemade. And I told them how it was made homemade, and you could just smell it. It just smelled amazing. So then you just drop it in. Make sure your bottle, of course, like I said, is totally clean. And your hands are clean. You can use gloves if you want to, but make sure everything's super duper clean. So now those are in there, and you'll start. And we're gonna fill this to about right here. So I've got a big bottle, and I'll have this for as I fill up others. Now see, it comes with its own little filter, so you'll need a funnel.
You want me to hold that kind of in place for you?
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
So you got your funnel. If you want to, you can. So you got your funnel. We're just gonna pour that in. Notice how it's just clear going in.
It'll turn brown eventually, won't it?
Yeah, it's going to turn brown eventually. And you will need the funnel. It's harder to do it without it.
So all vanilla flavoring is some sort of alcohol, vodka in this case, with bean that has fermented in it.
Yeah. Let's do a little bit more. All right. So now, there's no real set recipe to that. Now, folks, it's gonna start doing its thing. So you've already split those open. That's how it's gonna look for actually a few weeks. It'll get almost like a tea look for a few weeks. You shake it up some. You can see some of the little beans in there floating around.
Yeah.
And then
That's what it
after
looks like.
a while, now like I said, the first few weeks it's gonna look like tea. And then you're gonna go every day, and all you're gonna do is this.
Just turn it.
That's it. And then put it back down.
How long do you think it takes? I mean, what's 6 months or something?
Yeah, you can use it after. I wouldn't use this. I'm not gonna use this until about 3 months.
Yeah.
But after 6 months or more, look at that.
Yeah, it looks great.
It's gorgeous. And every day, anytime. So I'm gonna show you where I keep ours. So this little baby right here, and this little baby here is gonna go right over here. We have a crazy looking pantry. It's quite packed. So as you can see, I just keep her sitting here, reach in. Anytime you're reaching in to get something, oh, forgot, let me shake her up. And I remember that I need to shake it up. Now this one's tall, so it'll have to go somewhere like this.
Yeah.
And then anytime you reach in to get something, oh, okay, let's shake it up.
Mix it up a little.
I mean, that's all you do. Now, another thing I did, you don't have to buy these, but I did buy on Amazon stickers that say homemade vanilla extract.
That's awesome.
It gives the date, it gives the origin of the bean, and what kind of alcohol did you use, and what size bottle, 8.5 ounce. And that is a great gift. I put these in little baggies for family, and now I still have my pure vanilla here, but this is great vanilla, but it just can't compare.
This is, and here again it says all it is bean extract in water and alcohol. So same kind of thing. I wonder what kind of alcohol they use, but you've done the same sort of deal, just using that vodka.
Folks, I hope you have fun. I can't wait to see this in a few. Maybe we do a little update video and show you this in about 3 months. But remember, every day, just do them a little shake, and then after a while, you just got gorgeous vanilla extract.
And I ain't kidding, that banana pudding that she makes, holy crap!
And it brings your food,
fantastic.
it brings your dessert to just another level.
Thank you, baby.
Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to the channel
if you like. And this is about 8 hours after we shot the earlier video. You can see it's already starting to change colors. Pretty cool.